Hey guys, I wanted to take a moment to show you how to connect your robot to a Windows computer. Okay, so here's my Windows desktop here, and I'm assuming that you've already done the install. If you haven't done that, you can look at the other video to learn how to install our software on a Windows machine. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Arduino and wait for this thing to open up. Okay, now that it's open, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to click on Tools and we're going to click on Board. We got to make sure the right board is connected. So there's two options. There's going to be Arduino Uno or Nano. Okay, if it's a blue board that you're working with the big white words Uno, it's an Uno. If it's going to be a Barnabas Noggin, it's green colored is the current color, it's going to be Arduino Nano. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Arduino Nano since that's the board that I have here. Okay, so once I've done that, the next thing I have to do is I have to go to Processor and click this old bootloader thing. And this is only necessary for the Nano. If you clicked Arduino Uno for the board, you don't have to do that. All right, the next thing you'll see is I got to set the port. Now it's grayed out right here. The reason why is because I don't have anything plugged into my USB port on the computer yet. So the next thing I have to do now is take my USB cord, connect one side to my robot and the other side to my computer. Okay, so once I've done that, if I go to Tools, you'll see ports no longer grayed out and it says COM3. Well, that's the new thing that came. So I'm going to go ahead and click on COM3. Yours might be a different COM number. That's okay, as long as it should say COM some number. Okay, so I'm connected. Now what I want to do is do a test upload to see if I can send code to my robot. I have this piece of code right here, no tone. I don't need that. Yours might not have that, so I'm just going to delete that and then click upload, which is that right arrow button, and this green progress bar is going to start. Now I want to make sure it goes all the way to the end, and then it should say done uploading. Let's see. It says uploading ... and it says done uploading. Okay, so when we see that, that is good news. That means that we are now communicating from our computer to the Noggin, or an Uno if that's the board that you're using. Alright, so if you're doing text code, you'll be typing in commands like this, pin mode 7, output, and you're ready to rock and roll and just start typing your C code in there. Now if that looks foreign to you, that means that you are using block coding. So you're going to be looking at Ardublock. So Tools, Ardublock, that's where you got to go. And then your graphical programming comes out. So I'm going to just do a little test program here. Set digital pin. And when I do that, the code ends up from block to the C window there. And that also works. So we're good to go here. So I was able to connect to my Barnabas hardware. I was able to set the board, set the port, do a test upload, and also test using Ardublock.